Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Karen. Today I'll be showing you how to make coconut oil. But before we get into that, don't forget to like this video, share it with all your friends, comment and subscribe. We have here 2 coconuts. Break them and the liquid inside, we call it coconut water. You could use that to drink. Then separate the hard shell from the white gel and cut it up. And put it to blend. You could also grate it if you wish. Put it in the blender and add water to the chipped gel and blend. Then strain the liquid into a pot or a container and allow it to settle overnight. Then you could move on to the next step. We have here the 2 parts of coconut, the squeezed coconut, and it's been settling overnight. From this you would see the whiteness that's settled on top. You take this whiteness out and you put it in your pot for boiling or frying, whichever pot you have. You just take it out, take off the top, and you take off the white at the top, the thick cream. You're supposed to leave back with just water. Just removing the cream, and this is the water that is left, and the cream is in here. And you could use this water liquid to cook up or coconut rice or any other thing that requires coconut milk. We move it over now to the stove, and this is how you would make the coconut oil. You allow it to cook until it turns oil. Now this coconut oil is good for your hair. You could use it in your food, you could use it on your skin. It is really good. The oil is finished cooking, and you could see it is clear. I made a batch before and it was a bit dark. You could do either one and it would still be good enough for consumption and use. So if you want, you take a cloth, you strain it off, or you use a strainer. Well, I'm just going to pour out this into this container. So when it's settled, the grums at the bottom settle, you'll see clear, nice oil that you could use for anything. And this is the oil. This is the coconut oil, and it still have a little while to settle and for the grums at the bottom. So it's been about 5 minutes and the coconut oil has been cooling. I made some coconut oil a couple days ago, and this is it here in the bottle, and this is the fresh coconut oil, and you could use this on your skin You could use it on your lips. And you could use it to cook with. Don't forget to catch me in my next video. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.